How to take the discus. Step 1. Open the discus. Hold the discus inhaler in one hand. Put the thumb of your other hand into the thumb groove and push your thumb away until you hear a click. You should be able to see the mouthpiece and the tab beside it. Step 2. Get the medicine ready. Slide the tab using your thumb towards your finger until you hear a click. This means the medicine is ready. To prevent the dose from getting lost, do not drop or bang the discus inhaler. Step 3. Take the medicine. Breathe out away from the discus. Wrap your lips tightly around the mouthpiece of the discus inhaler while keeping it in a flat and level position. Breathe in quickly and as deeply as you can. Take the discus inhaler out of your mouth. Hold your breath while you count to 10 slowly, if you can. Breathe out slowly through your nose. Step 4. Close the discus. Close the discus inhaler by sliding the thumb grip back to the starting position until you hear a click. The mouthpiece will be hidden and the tab will be reset. The discus inhaler is now ready for the next time you need to take your medicine.